Subscribe to How To channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get the latest update always. Open Google and search for blogger.com. And click on the link that appear on first, blogger.com. Okay, and create your blogger username profile. Like example, as an example, I'm writing my name. Okay, let's continue to blogger. Here you will see a page, something European Union or privacy policy. You have to click on create new blog. Below here, click on create new blog. Here you have to give your blog a title, your blog name actually. So I'm gonna show you. It's my name as an example. Okay, and you have to find your address, blog URL, like www.yourname.com, and it's this is blog, so here it will be at blogger.com after your name domain. Okay, so you can see bohevia.blogspot.com. You have to select a theme. You can access third-party theme, but you have to create your blog first. Alright, blog is open. Here you can see many options are here, like post, status, page, comments, etc. You can see view blog. Click on view blog to see your blog. You will find nothing because there's nothing. I haven't posted yet on this blog, so I have to go back and write a post right there. You have to create a new post. Here you can write page like disclaimer, privacy policy, contact, about us, etc. Okay, so I'm not going to create any page right now because I have to show you how to write a post on Blogger. Here, post, and you have to click on new post. Well, I have a post, so I have to copy and paste here. Yeah, paste. It says Jana Gana Mana means Indian national anthem. Normal, I have to select a heading for the heading for this post, but well, if you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends to help them. Alright, so here I have to write heading. I'm using mobile, I'm sorry for the keyboard. Blog heading, Jana Gana Mana, and you have to give a post title that will show on the page, search on the search engine. So I'm gonna write Jana Gana Mana means. Alright. Once you are done, you just have to publish the post. Alright. So I've done, and I'm gonna click on publish. Yeah, So you can see one post is published. You can open your blog right now to see the post. Look, here is Janagana Mana means. Right here you can read more. By the way, you can customize your theme, blogger theme. You can access third-party theme, but you have to learn first how to do that. Well, I will make a video on how to make blog and how to customize blog. Okay, thank. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.